Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame on the US dollar Swiss, we've been extremely sideways on the daily, but the momentum is still down. Because the dollar index analysis, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did make a bigger move to the upside, but as of right now, the charts on the daily are definitely still telling us to look for sorts on sort of time frames. So that's definitely what I would be doing. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. This move up right here looks a little too much like a trend for me to sort it. I would like to see it to do something like this. This is what I would really like to see is like a nice three-way pullback, a nice ABC correction, maybe up to like the 61 and retest the 50%, then a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside for a nice sorting opportunity. So either way, no matter what, I am definitely looking for sorts unless the higher time frame tells me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.